When it comes to footing marking and surveying services in VARTHUR, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Limited is the go-to company. With their expertise in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveyors in the area. Whether it is for residential or commercial projects, SCON Design India Pvt Limited provides accurate and reliable footing marking services that meet the highest standards of quality and precision. Footing marking is an essential step in any construction project as it ensures that the foundation is laid correctly and accurately. This is where the expertise of surveyors comes into play. SCON Design India Pvt Limited has a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who are well versed in using the latest technology and equipment to perform accurate footing marking. They understand the importance of getting the measurements right, as even a small error can have significant consequences on the stability and durability of the structure. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Limited apart from other surveyors in VARTHUR, Bangalore is their commitment to providing exceptional customer service. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their footing marking services accordingly. Whether it is a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, they approach each project with the same level of dedication and attention to detail. SCON Design India Pvt Limited also stands out for their use of advanced technology in their surveying services. They employ state-of-the-art equipment such as total stations, GPS devices, and laser scanners to ensure accurate and precise measurements. This not only enhances the efficiency of their work, but also reduces the margin of error, resulting in more reliable and dependable results. In addition to their expertise in footing marking, SCON Design India Pvt Limited offers a wide range of other surveying services as well. This includes land surveying, topographic surveying, boundary surveying, and construction staking, among others. Whether it is for property development, infrastructure projects, or land mapping, their team of surveyors has the knowledge and skills to handle any project with ease. In conclusion, when it comes to footing marking and surveying services in VARTHUR, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Limited is the name to trust. Their team of experienced surveyors, coupled with their use of advanced technology, ensures accurate and precise measurements for any construction project. With their commitment to exceptional customer service and a wide range of surveying services, SCON Design India Pvt Limited is the preferred choice for all your surveying needs.